Welcome, my wonderful marketing community. I'm Diane with Elevate Digital Marketing, and today we are going to be automating and scaling your small business with AI. Imagine never losing another lead, or missing a follow-up, or juggling appointments again. You would never have to, ever again. Sounds too good to be true, but it's not with the possibilities of AI. Imagine this dream starting to become your reality today. Today, we're diving into the most powerful strategies for your small business. We can automate customer follow-ups, appointment scheduling, and lead magnets. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly how to save your time, cut down on manual tasks, and build a system that works for you. Why automation is such a game changer for your small business. 1, it saves time. You don't have to manually email every single lead. 2, it improves customer experience. Instant responses make customers feel very valued. Increase conversions, automate follow-ups, and keep leads engaged. And next, reduce errors. No more missed appointments or lost leads. So now let's jump into the actual tools that make all of this possible for your small business. So now we're going to be talking about automating customer follow-ups with the AI tools. So first step is to automate your follow-ups. Let's use ActiveCampaign as an example, but you can also use MailChimp or HubSpot. So step number 2, we're going to automate your bookings. So this is so important because now you don't have to go back and forth with emails with customers or phone calls. You've got it set up for you right at the very beginning. So you can use Calendly as our demo for today. You might be asking, what is a CRM system? Well, I'm glad you asked. Well, it's a customer relationship management system. It's software that helps you manage interactions with current and potential customers. It organizes data, tracks communication history, and automates follow-ups so you never miss an opportunity as a small business owner. So the CRM system keeps all customer details in one place. It automates your communication and your follow-ups. It tracks interactions to personalize the customer experience, and it saves you time by streamlining these tasks like email responses and appointment scheduling.